This is OPPO F23 and today I would like to show how you can add an event to calendar on this device. So first and foremost, you will need to launch the calendar application. Then select the date you would like to set your event on. Onwards, tap at this plus icon at the bottom right part of your display. Choose an event option from the list. And in here, just fill all the event details out. Title, timeframes, repetitiveness, participants, location, and so on. Then hit the save button at the top right corner of your display. And here you have it. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.